Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina. Today I'm taking you on a little journey to HK Fisheries at Sastan, a place on the way to Kundapur. You get fresh fish from succulent prawns to different varieties of fishes like mullet, red snapper, mackerels, goldfish, ladyfish, croakers, salmons, white and black pomfret, and all the other varieties of fish. It's not just fresh fish, they also preserve it well. I especially come here to buy the live crabs. I will share the location of this place in my description box. If you are around this place, just drop in and buy some fresh fish. Please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend for all the updates on my recipes and interesting places. This place is opposite to the Sastan fish market. Look at these lively crabs. They are a must try for any seafood lovers. I just picked some crabs for 350 rupees per kilo. Today's tutorial is all about cleaning the crabs. Come on, let's get started. Let's untie the crabs using my pair of scissors. Once I am done with it, let me clean them thoroughly with 2 to 3 rounds of water. You can use a brush to clean the crabs. Carefully pull out the claws and cut the legs using your pair of scissors. Retain half portion of the legs. Cutting the crab is easy and you don't require any tool if you follow the step-by-step process. I recommend cleaning the crabs at home and not at the fish market, as they don't clean the crabs before they cut it, and once you bring home cleaning them, you may lose on some flavor. Now let's open the crabs. Black crabs are harder compared to blue crabs or other kinds of crabs. This may require some extra efforts due to their hard shell. We also call this as crab's apron. Wow, this has a wonderful treasure inside. Let me talk about this later. Now first, let me pull out all the gills. So these gills have to be removed completely. This is not edible. So once the gills are removed, if you feel still there is some dirt remained, just dip the crab in the water. Don't wash it thoroughly, as you may lose some flavor. Now coming to the hidden treasure that you see once you open the crab. The yellow part that you see here is crab mustard, or it's also called crab butter, a part of crab anatomy, which is a digestive gland and responsible for filtering the blood. Although it's a flavor bomb, it's not advisable to have this frequently, but it gives a lot of flavor to your dish. Secondly, you have this caviar or the fish eggs, which are edible, super tasty, and you can add this to the dish. We have removed all the gills and the hard particles of the shell. Now let's cut the crabs into half to make it into 2 pieces. If they are small, you can cook them whole. Now I'm going to hunt for more treasure that is stuck to the shell. So you can just remove the caviar or the eggs and add it to the dish, and it will taste awesome. You have to just try it. I just can't express how tasty it turns. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to cook these crabs using my masala powders, Rovina's chicken sukka powder. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for all the updates. I will mention the link for preparing crab sukka in the description box. I am almost done with the cleaning of the crabs. Stay tuned for the next video on cooking these crabs. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful to you in your day-to-day cooking. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.